Christmas.
We need some hot cake mix, 1 fresh milk, an egg, cheese, and butter.
We also need egg beater, mixing bowl, and aluminum mold. We need to beat the egg. Then, add the hot cake mix. Then add 2 cups of milk on it. Don't forget to add a little oil. Remember,
For kids like me,
you can use the plastic grater. And for grown-ups like me, you can ask your parents to help you use the metal grater. Start pouring the puto mix onto the aluminum mold.
yay, cheese!
Put the cheese on top of it. Ready to steam for 10 to 15 minutes or until done. Now we're ready to eat the puto.
Yay!
How does it taste?